lesson. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It is just like reading a comic book where you see all the pictures. Okay? It's very beautifully written there and it is illustrated. So that I'll just read the lesson. You don't need any explanation, I think. It's so simple a lesson. Okay, let us go through. Hilsa fish is a special kind of fish. Okay? Okay. Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fisherman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. So it's a special kind of big fish. So I think it's in a Bengal area, and it's a special time when you see only Hilsa fish. See, sometimes you see in our place there are times when you get sardine, and there is sardine matti, മത്തി മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ എല്ലായിടത്തും, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള കാലമില്ല. അതേമാതിരി ഇറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ ദിസ് റീജിയൻ ദേ ഹാവ് ഹിൽസ ഫിഷ്, ഒരു സ്പെഷ്യൽ കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഫിഷാണ് ബിഗ് ഫിഷ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ നന്നായിട്ട് മത്തി അടിഞ്ഞ കാലത്ത് എവിടെ പോയാലും സംസാരം എന്തായിരിക്കും? അബൌട്ട് ഫിഷ് ഓൺലി. ദ സെയിം വാസ് ദ കണ്ടീഷൻ. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Why? They got Hilsa fish only, so sellers will give only Hilsa fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. Down today. You can get many Hilsa fish at a few price. Householdings could talk nothing else but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe if I told you, husband was telling. It's so cheap, he is telling. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. So, in every way, they were talking only about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa fish I caught. It was, everybody was telling, and the king was fed up of Hilsa fish. Stop it! Are you a courtier or a fisherman? He is asking the courtier who was talking about Hilsa fish. You would have seen that Hilsa fish. See, he was telling courtier. King was angry, always talking about Hilsa fish. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. Downcast eyes means looking down, because he was ashamed of himself. The king felt guilty. Oh, I should not have told that to the courtier. Why did I scold him? He was telling something important. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Why everybody is talking about Hilsa fish? And Gopal was a cunning fellow of the court, like our Tenali Raman. So the king challenged Tenali Gopal, you even cannot stop others from talking about Hilsa fish. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Gopal, I think I could. What? Make people tell of other things. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking a word about it. So that's a challenge. So come to the palace with a Hilsa fish. Nobody should ask anything about Hilsa fish. Can you do it? Take it as a challenge. I accept that challenge, Your Majesty. Tenali Raman himself, right? A few days later, so it was Gopal's house, and he was doing something. What is he doing? Just look. He is smearing. He has left half of his face shaven. Just see. Why is your face half shaven? When you do your father shave like that? No. What do you tell such a person? Mad person, right? I'm dressing up to buy a fish. He told his wife, hey, don't look into that. I want to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? This side he has left it unshaven, and there he was smearing ash and the charam. I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. He again told. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? See what he has worn. he is the important person of the court and he is wearing torn dresses like this and with his face half shaven, smeared with ash. And his wife was crying, "Oh, you don't go out like this. It's happened to him. He has gone mad." His wife was crying, "Oh, this man has gone mad." Gopal brought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. He bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. "Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical?" So a small boy in the market was telling, "Hey, look at that man. He must be a madman." "Yeah." "Hush, I think he is a mystic. He has some other important business. Don't do like that. He is not mad. I don't think like that. Don't tell like that." When Gopal reached the court, "What do you want?" the courtier asked. In this dress, nobody did recognize him. "I want to see the king." "You can't see the king. Get away with you. Hey, don't go to the court like this." Gopal began to dance and sing. What did he do? Gopal started dancing and singing loudly from there. Inside the palace, "The man is crazy. Throw him out at once." So these boys came inside. Gopal's dancing, Gopal's song, and the courtiers shouting, all the boys came to the king. "I want to see the king. Let me in. Bring that man at once." "Yes, your majesty." King ordered, "Hey, who wants to see me? Let him in." Gopal was brought before the king. So Gopal came with his rags, half-shaven face shaved, smeared with ash. "The man has lost his mind." Oh, others told, "Ayyo, Pava, he has gone mad. I think it's one of that crazy jokes." But others told, he has not gone mad. It is one of his joke, because Gopal had done this before also. Some other tricks like our Tenali Raman. "All right, Gopal, out with it." Even the king was thinking he had gone mad. "Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Why are you dressed up like this?" "Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something." "Forgotten something?" Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in hilsa fish today. Haven't you seen this? You forgot this? Nobody asked me this. What hilsa fish? The king was complaining, everybody was talking about hilsa fish, and Gopal could not prove that he can take at least 5 minutes of others not talking about hilsa fish. Okay, to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about hilsa fish. So I had bought this hilsa fish from the market. I walked all the way through the streets. I reached the palace. I came to the palace, and nobody, including you, asked me any single word about this hilsa fish. That is what you wanted. Only then the king remembered the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Oh, that was the challenge. Oh, what a nice fellow, cunning fellow, no? Ha ha ha, well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So exactly like a Tenali Raman. So that story was nice, right? What does this story teaches you? If you think, if your brain is working, you will find out a way for anything and everything, any serious problem for that matter. So that is the lesson which I need to tell you now. So during this Corona season, do you feel very lonely? Do you feel overburdened with all the online classes? Think out a way. Just study your lessons on your own. Isn't it good without the teacher scolding, without your having to rush through the bus, this, that? Don't you feel relaxed at home? Sit and study on your own. Just prove yourself, man. That's it. Thank you. Bye.